The Slim Grid board-to-board connectors from Molex. This high-density connector system is based on a 1.27 millimeter grid pattern that offers design flexibility in a small pitch, space-saving solution. Perfect for general market, from industrial applications to the consumer home appliance market, telecommunications, automotive, and portable electronic devices. Dual row unshrouded headers or shrouded right angle and vertical headers mate with vertical receptacles. Polarized shrouded headers offer a locking ramp and window feature for high mated retention force. More information at molex.com.